Bitcoin is sinking or growing, it doesn't matter. Life is going on. Hello, I'm Maxim Pervunin and you are on Benefit Daily channel. Blockchain, cryptocurrencies, international law, it's all about me. I don't speak about all the news, I share just important news with you. And that's what I will speak about today. Who is the first one to jump out of the Bitcoin ship when it's sinking? Let's discuss it. How to hide from SEC? Let's listen to their advice. How to earn 50% a week on Bitcoin? I will explain to you. Bitcoin fell below $3,500 level, and miners start to sell off their equipment. The number of advertisements on selling of mining equipment have raised 25% just 1 week, and the cost of equipment dropped twice as much. But this is a market, my friend. Supply and demand determines the price. We reach the bottom of the investment attractiveness of the mining. Those who invested in mining now bite their fingers when they are thinking about their investment plans. But now it's too late to run away. It makes sense to change investment strategy from short-term to long-term investment strategy, or to change the region where you put your mining equipment. By the way, that is exactly what miners from Norway are doing. They move their equipment to Denmark and Sweden. That is partly due to the fact that Norwegian government have raised taxes for miners. But is it the right time for all this? In general, for crypto enthusiasts, this week was not a good one. Because of the news and because of the regulators, many people have suffered a lot on the market and even don't know what will be in the future. For example, lawmakers in Russia, they postponed the legislation on mining, and Central Bank of the Russian Federation is thinking to make a new law that will make no sense to have blockchain or cryptocurrency business in Russia at all. I spoke with some experts and they tell me that there will be no chance for crypto business in Russia at all. Further, the head of Security Exchange Commission, Jay Clayton, have stated that we should not expect ETF release on Bitcoin in near future, as technology do not allow to protect investors from theft or manipulation of their prices. Well, too bad. Now SEC is controlling the prices on Bitcoin. Well, in my opinion, it is a strange position, as futures on Bitcoin is allowed by SEC and ETF on Bitcoin is not allowed. Both of them are financial instruments for professional investors. For example, futures on ETF allow to extract liquidity from the market, and ETF is allowing to add liquidity to the market. So we see the situation when it's only there is extraction of liquidity. I think it's not fair like this. In his interview to CNBC, Clayton stated,
I think we've been clear that we don't believe Bitcoin is a security, but many of the ICOs that you see and you talk about, they are securities.
I think it is obvious to all of us that Bitcoin is not a security. However, most of the ICOs fall into the category. That's the big news. So, why are regulators so afraid of Bitcoin? And well, when he was asked whether all ICOs is bad, he stated, so far no ICO officially received permission from Security Exchange Commission. However, ICO is conducted offshore United States, or it is conducted in the form of private placement, then there would be no problem with Security Exchange Commission. Well, thank you very much, Jay. We will conduct ICO outside United States. In all of this, I amused crypto enthusiasts cherish the idea to build a new financial world. But what we see that those financial monsters and those financial specialists, they just put it under control. Is it not funny? ICO should be under legislation that is not yet created by lawmakers. By the way, don't worry. Not everything so bad right now. There was some good news last week. Bitcoin Cash Fork, Bitcoin SV, have raised 50% just 1 week. This means that the cryptocurrency market still gives you good opportunity, but only for smart investors. Don't get lost in the stream of life. I'm Maxim Pervunin and you are on Benefit Global channel. Subscribe to my channel and follow the news on Benefit application. The link you will find below. Bye-bye.